Hi guys, you're watching Jennifer's Glowing and she's on a farm. And look at the little pigs with the mama. Look at that, y'all. Oh, look at these little piggies with their mommy. They're staying so nice and warm. There's a mama pig and her little babies. You're watching Jennifer's Glowing. She loves the sun. I don't want to disturb them too much. And there's a goat. Getting his eat on. And here's another one. He's kind of lying down. You can kind of see him in between here. And over here are some baby chicks. Look at this, y'all. Aren't they adorable? They're under a heat lamp. And there's some rabbits over there. And here is a donkey, y'all. Is he not the cutest thing? He's not by himself, he has a partner. He's so cute. You're watching Jennifer's Glowing. She's on a farm in Seattle. He's just standing there minding his own business. Yeah. You don't want to disturb them too much. We're on a tulip farm. And when I first came in and I saw this, and I was like, wait, what's that? What's that? But it's just a pretend. He's not real. But these little goats are real. Hi, little fella. They're eating, they're having their dinner. Oh, here's one right here. They're having their dinner. But I don't want to make you dizzy. Let's get it. Oh, they're so cute. Hi. Yeah, they're having dinner. They know how to get their dinner. They all know how to eat, that's for sure. Yeah, so you're watching Jennifer's Glowing. She's on a tulip farm in Seattle, Washington. And this is pronounced, I thought it was Knutson, but it's Knutson. Knutson. So they say, please wash your hands when exiting the barn. I didn't touch anything. But yeah, you're watching Jennifer's Glowing. She loves the sun. And it is beautiful today here in beautiful Seattle, Washington. Just having a ball with my family. I came for my sister's birthday and I don't even know how to go home. I'm just staying and staying and staying. They're going to Paris in July and they want me to go. It's just like, it just takes so long to get there. It's like 10 hours. I've never been 10 hours in the sky. They want me to go, y'all. Tell me what you think down below. I want to go because I haven't been to Europe, so I would like to go. So I'm trying to make a decision. They're getting their tickets next week. Decisions. So you're watching Jennifer's Glowing. She loves the sun. And I'll catch you on another video. Bye, guys.